Look at that baby. Whew. This is a really deep hole right here. It's deepest off to the left. You can see where the current comes down. And it's washed out pretty well. Where you see that little rock off to the left, that rock is actually a huge boulder. It's probably about 6 feet deep just to the right of that rock. And hook up, fish on! Awesome, nice brown. Look at that baby. I think that's number 6 for the day. Dig along at all. Alright. Go. Guys, right there. That's a decent fish. Take it. Awesome. Right there, baby. That's my limit. And I'm gonna pack up and head home. Hey everybody, so here was my limit for the day. 5 fish, 1 really nice brown, and a variety of others. I got browns, brookies, and rainbows, all in the same trip, same stream. It's awesome. All right, guys, thanks for watching. So to take care of your fish properly, you have to make sure that as soon as you get them off your stringer, the first thing I do is gut them. So you can see I've removed all the gills and all the guts. And you want to get them on ice as soon as possible. And if you can get a couple pieces of ice inside the body cavities, all the better. And that should keep them good. You know, if you want to do a drive all the way back to Pittsburgh, that should keep them pretty good. In this case, they've only got to go a couple miles because I've only got about 5 miles to go to get back to where I'm going to finish by filleting these. And then I'll package them up, and my grandparents will be very excited later on when they get a nice bag of
fresh trout fillets. Talk to you soon. Thanks for watching, everyone.